The courtroom in California was buzzing with subdued whispers as Meghan Markle's latest legal move reached an ignominious conclusion. What began as a bold lawsuit accusing her Montecito neighbors of emotional distress and defamation, over allegations as trivial as unreturned greetings and declined party invitations, ended with a judge's stern dismissal, branding the case frivolous. The courtroom drama, emblematic of broader tensions surrounding celebrity privilege, has now cast a shadow over Markle's public image. The lawsuit, royal privilege or misstep? Markle's filing centered on her claim that her neighbors in the affluent enclave of Montecito treated her with disdain, refusing to acknowledge her unique royal status. Citing incidents of cold shouldering at local events and invitations left unanswered, the Duchess alleged defamation and emotional harm. She claimed her position as a member of the British royal family warranted a certain level of respect that she felt was glaringly absent. Observers found the claims both surreal and disheartening. Emotional distress due to social slights might have resonated in exclusive gossip columns but raised eyebrows as a legal argument. In the lawsuit, Markle argued that such perceived disrespect inflicted harm on her reputation and mental well-being, but critics quickly dismissed her allegations as tone-deaf to the realities of everyday life. The judge's verdict, a blow to entitlement. Judge Linda Marshall's verdict was a resounding rejection. In scathing terms, the judge described the case as an exercise in entitlement, lacking legal merit and divorced from common sense. She highlighted the lack of evidence supporting Markle's claims, questioning whether her unique status truly entitled her to different treatment under California law. Marshall didn't stop at dismissal. She levied a substantial fine against Markle for wasting the court's time, signaling judicial intolerance for celebrity-driven frivolity. The ruling wasn't just a legal rebuke but a broader condemnation of the entitlement often perceived in celebrity culture. The fine and accompanying critique served as a symbolic reminder that fame and status do not place anyone above the law. Social media firestorm, #PrincessProblems and #Montecito drama. As news of the dismissal broke, the backlash was swift and unforgiving. Social media platforms erupted with memes, hashtags like #PrincessProblems, and satirical commentary mocking the lawsuit's absurdity. The public's disdain for what they saw as Markle's out-of-touch behavior was palpable. One viral tweet read, "Meghan Markle suing her neighbors for not bowing down to her? Someone remind her she's in California, not Buckingham Palace." Another user quipped, "Declined party invites and unreturned hellos. Sounds like a Tuesday for most of us." Memes also capitalized on the drama. One particularly biting post depicted Markle sitting atop a throne surrounded by indifferent neighbors, with the caption, "When the neighborhood barbecue isn't a royal banquet." The digital tide amplified the case's absurdity, leaving Markle and her legal team struggling to control the narrative. Instead of gaining sympathy, the lawsuit highlighted a perceived disconnect between Markle's royal identity and her Californian reality. Public image, tarnished beyond repair? This debacle isn't the first time Markle's actions have polarized public opinion. Her critics argue that the lawsuit is part of a broader pattern of overreach and missteps. By framing minor social grievances as legal issues, she risks alienating the very audience she has sought to win over since her departure from royal duties. Public relations experts have weighed in, suggesting that Markle faces an uphill battle in restoring her image. The key to rehabilitation lies in humility and relatability, noted PR analyst Carla Edwards. She needs to move beyond the royal narrative and connect with people on shared human experiences. But others believe the damage may already be done. With each controversy, Markle risks cementing a reputation for entitlement, making it harder for her to resonate with everyday people. The larger picture, a lesson on privilege and integration. Markle's lawsuit also underscores a broader societal tension, the challenge of reconciling privilege with the desire to be treated as normal. While she has repeatedly emphasized her struggles with public scrutiny, critics argue that her actions often contradict her stated desire for privacy and authenticity. This case has sparked renewed conversations about celebrity integration into ordinary communities. How can public figures navigate fame without alienating their neighbors? Markle's Montecito lawsuit may serve as a cautionary tale for others grappling with the pitfalls of balancing status with the need for genuine community engagement. Final thoughts. From fame to folly. The dismissal of Meghan Markle's lawsuit marks a turning point, not just legally, but in the ongoing saga of her relationship with the public. What could have been an opportunity to showcase grace and resilience has instead become another chapter in a growing anthology of missteps. Markle now stands at a crossroads. Will she use this setback as a moment of introspection, or will she continue down a path that many view as increasingly detached from reality? The answer remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. For Meghan Markle, reclaiming the narrative will require a drastic shift in approach, one grounded in humility and self-awareness. Only time will tell if she is up to the challenge.